Integrating VivaFlow into your IV fluid management routine is seamless. Simply set up your IV infusion line as you normally would. Press the trigger to activate VivaFlow. Load VivaFlow onto the drip chamber, ensuring that the fluid level is filled to the line marked on the device. After aligning the chamber properly, the IV tubing is wrapped along the side of the device. Press OK to start monitoring. The IV fluid begins to flow as the roller clamp of the IV tubing is opened. The flashing green LED indicates the detection of fluid drops, conveniently displaying the rate of IV infusion in mils per hour in real time. This allows the clinician to set the desired infusion rate. VivaFlow functions as an IV fluid flow monitor and alerts the clinician of any unexpected changes of the IV infusion, including the completion of the IV bag or positional occlusion. When the bag is empty, the VivaFlow trigger will release, pinching the IV line, and the screen will display an alert. The trigger may release if air bubbles are detected in the chamber. If this occurs, simply silence the alert, depress the trigger, and press OK to resume monitoring. If the drops are not detected and flow rate does not update on the screen, ensure that the drip chamber is positioned correctly in the slot, seated at the bottom, not tilted, and fluid level is at the fill line. VivaFlow is a cost-effective portable IV fluid monitor that can help clinicians to monitor IV fluid administration. Because of its portability and simple setup, it can play a role in monitoring IV fluid infusion in all clinical settings. Hospitals save money since VivaFlow is reusable and tubing set agnostic, reducing the cost of consumables. VivaFlow saves time and improves quality of care, allowing healthcare workers to do what they do best: care for those who need it most. Visit vivamed.com for more information.